Want to fix Minecraft error code 8? There was a problem loading this world? This video will show you the simple tricks to get back into your blocky adventures. Let's dive in. First things first, error code 8 usually means your world file is corrupted, or there's an issue with Minecraft's ability to read it. Now, the easiest fix is to try loading a different world. If other worlds load fine, then the issue is specific to that one corrupted world. If no worlds load, the problem is with your Minecraft installation or system. Next, if it's a specific world, try making a backup of the corrupted world. Copy the world folder from your saves directory, and then try loading a recent autosave or an older backup of that world if you have one. Sometimes going back to a slightly older version can resolve the issue. You'll also want to check for sufficient disk space on your drive where Minecraft is installed. Full drives can cause save corruption. Free up some space if needed. Ensure your Minecraft game and launcher are fully updated to the latest version. Outdated clients can struggle with loading newer or larger world formats. Finally, if the world is highly corrupted, it might be unrecoverable. However, if you're comfortable, you could try using a third-party world repair tool. Use with caution and only from trusted sources. After backing up your world. For Bedrock Edition, ensure your device has enough RAM. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more Minecraft tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.